Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make lentils dal pita. In my channel, I have already posted dal pita with regular dal, yellow split peas, and today I want to make it with lentils, with black lentils, and it is as simple as easy to make. To begin, I'm gonna start making the dough, and in it is this bowl over here. I have all-purpose flour, just a little bit of salt. I'm gonna take my wooden spoon. I'm just gonna mix the salt and the flour and then create a well. Add the oil. I'm using sunflower oil. About 2 to 3 tablespoons is good. And then I'm gonna add warm water little by little. And then I'm gonna mix it. And then I'm gonna switch by hand. And then we're gonna turn this into a nice smooth dough. And now we have a nice dough. Okay, done. Our dal pita dough is done, and now I'm gonna set this on the side, cover it for now, and we're gonna move to the next step. And now the next step, I'm gonna start making the lentils. I have some oil preheating in a pressure cooker. I'm gonna add some onion. I'm using a large onion. I'm gonna add some curry leaf. Mine is frozen. I always buy them in a big bunch and then wash them, let them dry, and then put them in a nice Ziploc bag, tightly freeze them, and they stay for like months. And then you guys can see it still have those green color in it, and this smells good. If you have fresh thyme, you can add some fresh thyme in here. Onion has catch a little bit color. Add dry chilies. This is optional. You don't add it if you don't like it. I do sometimes. I don't add sometimes, depending. Now I'm gonna add 1 tomato, chopped, and then reduce the heat a little bit, so these tomatoes can cook and soften with the onion together. And now I'm also gonna add some chopped parsley again. I wash them, chop them, and then freeze them, and they're still green. And now just mix and let this tomatoes get softened a little bit. Forgot to show you guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt for now so the tomatoes and the onion can cook faster, and then a little bit ginger and garlic paste is store bought. I'm gonna add that, and now we're gonna mix and we're gonna let this soften. Add the lentils. I did not soak my lentils, I just washed them, and then right away I'm cooking them. And these are the big one. They cook faster, so if you like the smaller one, you can use that. Actually, I like these one better. I'm gonna add lots of water, and then we're gonna add some salt to taste. I'm gonna add enough water to cover the lentils, about 2 inches on top of the lentils. And then I'm gonna cover my pressure cooker and let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until 6 to 7 whistle. And then turn your heat off, let the pressure goes down, open your pressure cooker, and then we're gonna see if the lentils is not cooked. We're gonna add more water and cook, and add more water, and then cover it back again, and then let it cook until completely done. And the lentils has cooked, and the pressure is going down right now. And now it's time to make the little dumplings that we call dal pita in Mauritius. It is really like a little flat dumplings that goes in the lentils, and it is so good. I'm gonna add some dry flour on my counter, and then these balls, I'm going to do this into 3. I'm dividing this into 3 equal part. All right, I'm gonna set these to one side. These no need to be perfect. If you can't make it round, that's okay. And that's it. This is a thickness that you are looking for, just like that. And then I'm just gonna do the rest, and then we're gonna go toast this dough, this dal pita, this dumpling, little bit on the tawa, on a pan. So right now you can preheat a pan, or like a fry pan or tawa, anything you have on hand. And once we're done all of these 3 rolls, we're gonna roll them first, and then we're gonna go toast them. Just preheat your tawa over medium heat, and do not add any oil or anything. Now let's flip this, and then you can see these are like firm. You don't see the raw dough, you don't feel it. That's all you're looking for. No colors, nothing. If the dough catch little bit color, that's okay, but we are not looking to cook this as we are cooking paratha. We are not cooking this at all. We are just toasting it. We're gonna remove it, and I have already done all of the 3, and this was the last one. And now we are going to cut these in a little dumpling. Now you can do squares, or you can do a diamond shape. That's up to you. And I like to cut mine into small little square. Okay, it's a little bit hot, so just be careful. And then I'm just gonna do this. Just little square. And now we're gonna put this in the lentils. And as doing it this way, toasting it, it's not gonna stick to each other as much as when you don't toast it in the lentils, in the dal or anything. So let me just cut all of these, and we're gonna go dump this in the lentils. Now the tips that I'm gonna give you is leave your lentils watery, just like you're seeing mine. As soon as you put these little dal pita, little dumpling, and when these cook with the lentils, it will go thicker. Okay guys, you can see the dumpling has been cooked, the little dal pitas, and the lentils is thicker a little bit. So as you keep this, it will get thicker and thicker. And now you can turn the heat off. I know when you hear about dal pita, you are asking yourself, where is the chutney, the coconut chutney? Where is the tomato chutney, sachini pomdamu and sachini coco? Guys, it is weekdays. I'm just gonna go dig into this, and I'm gonna serve this just like that, nice and hot. I'm gonna add a shortcut way of eating dal pita is a dash of hot sauce, and my favorite hot sauce is sriracha. Put as many as you like. And now it's the best time is taste test. Taste test has to be done. It's so hot, just be careful. So hot. So good. The hot sauce is so perfect in this dal pita. If you don't have time like me on a weeknight, make a quick dal pita and just use hot sauce. If you don't like hot sauce, just use ketchup, tomato ketchup. Or if you have time, make your coconut chutney, make your tomato chutney. If you do want to see a video of coconut chutney, just let me know in the comment down below so I can do that for you. For now, I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna go have my dinner, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.